Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP. So if you're interested in these XRP updates, do smash that like button. Looking across the board, we are seeing a few handful of coins that are still in green, but we're at the same time seeing some coins actually in the red. But just a quick reminder to each and every one of you guys, over the course of the last 1 week and even over the last 1 month, we are seeing tremendous amount of growth within the crypto markets. As far as XRP is concerned, it is down about 3.8%, currently sitting at 62.3 cents, also down about 3% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is currently sitting at 35.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 2.1 billion. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, happy October, spooky season. And, this is one of the favorite times of mine. Quarter four is honestly the favorite times, not just because, crypto traditionally, historically speaking is bullish, but also just like in real life. I just love quarter four. And, there's a lot of excitement. I just cannot believe that, the year of 2024 has flew by this fast. It just seems like yesterday that, the year of 2024 started, but that's just how life is. Time is just going by super fast. But let me know your personal plans and what you are most excited about in quarter four. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening. So another Monday brings a new weekly digital asset fund flows report from CoinShares, which tracks the movement of capital between cryptocurrency-focused exchange-traded products and funds. This week was particularly interesting as it was revealed that XRP Focus Financial saw a staggering 800% increase in inflows over a week. And again, shouldn't be a big surprise factor for us because if we're looking at the price of XRP, it has been doing quite well over the course of the last few days. And again, this is something that we've been speaking about on the channel over the course of the last few weeks as well. Moving forward, this means that $800,000 was added to the XRP ETPs in the last 7 days and brings the total since the beginning of September to almost $2 million and since the beginning of the year to 24 million. This is one of the best results for crypto-focused investment products on par with Solana or Chainlink ETPs. Moving forward, you guys can see this is the CoinShare inflows and outflows record, and obviously you are seeing inflows on XRP increasing. And then, continuing down below, you can see this time it is more of the former case as over the past week, the price of XRP surged more than 9.21% as we know, breaking above 200 moving average and taking over a crucial dynamic resistance level, which has been obviously something that we've been discussing on the channel. Moving forward, you can see Good Morning Crypto posted this. Meld Gold confirms tokenized gold on XRPL. First transactions went through yesterday and further rollout will happen through October. This is mentioned by Meld Gold. Meld Gold will release 2 new stablecoins on XRP Ledger backed by gold and silver. Each token will represent 1 gram of each precious metal. By on-ramping essential liquidity, new and exiting users can capitalize on the XRPL's native features, including the DEX, AMM payment systems, and coming EVM sidechain and money market. Very interesting tokenized assets. And, obviously this is something that we've been discussing, and this is where XRPL Ledger, I think, shines quite a bit. I think this is a very, very interesting thing, of course. Let me know in the comments as to what you think. Moving forward, Ripple posted this, and this is a PSA. And I think this has come out at a perfect time, where it's needed. It says Ripple USD, which is RLUSD, is still in private beta. And while you may see on-chain activity, it's still not available yet. Be aware of anyone claiming to distribute RLUSD. Keep an eye out for the latest updates and stay vigilant against scams. So pretty much, if you've been keeping up with anything to do with XRP or Ripple. You guys know RLUSD has been RLUSD minting process has been going on. That own chain activity has gotten a lot of people within the community talking. But when that comes, when there's highly anticipated things coming up, what we do tend to see is, more scammers, more imposters coming and really taking advantage of, innocent people. So Ripple has posted this to kind of, caution the community to not click any links, not fall for any of this scam that is going around. And believe it or not, there's a lot of scams. So you want to be very, very careful, guys. You want to wait for official announcements and never fall for anything that is said online. Shout out to Ripple to really look out for the community by posting this. Moving forward, you can see Tony Edwards, on Thinking Crypto podcast posted this. So exclusive. I just spoke to a former Ripple employee at Mainnet. This person was part of the team that developed Ripple's ODL product. I asked him about the upcoming RLUSD stablecoin and whether they think it could negatively affect XRP, because this is something that has been in discussion over the course of the last, I would say, few months since, RLUSD has been a conversation, stablecoin. People are saying, so well, if RLUSD launches, what is the point of XRP ever going to be even? Like, is XRP even going to be used? So it says they mentioned that they had advocated for Ripple to launch a stablecoin years ago. Paraphrasing their response, they said the stablecoin will actually be beneficial for XRP as it will be paired with it. XRP will help provide the stablecoin and greater liquidity, which I've been talking about over the past few updates, since it is available on all exchanges. Additionally, this pairing will help stabilize the stablecoin and prevent depegging. They also stated that the stablecoin will open up a new use cases in Forex and much more. And remember, this RLUSD is most likely going to be a regulated and compliance approved stablecoin, which I think gives it even an edge against the competitors such as Tether. And again, I think Tether already has so many red flags. I'm sure anyone in the crypto markets kind of can relate to that. But let me know in the comments as to what you think. But before we get into the price, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the dominance as we are approaching Tuesday morning, you are still seeing the dominance going lower. But in the past, we have seen dominance index does tend to move up very, very quick. So let's not get super excited about that. But of course, as of now, anyone that has been holding altcoins, I'm sure, are excited about the dominance going down. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is approaching $64,000 as we are going into Tuesday morning on October 1st, of course. A new month, and a very, very highly anticipated month. A lot of people have been waiting for this month to be coming, and a lot of people are excited as to what is in store. I'm projecting this overall month to be bullish, and let's see what happens. We were overdue for a little bit of a cool off happening within the price of Bitcoin. We actually did see that happening, which is absolutely amazing to see. But things are picking up traction again, as to be expected, because if we're looking at the bigger picture, crypto is looking bullish, and I think we are in the next leg up. Looking at the price of XRP right now, of course, XRP is still back above, number one main important factor is that we're above 58 cents, which is a very key support level. And we did wick all the way up to 66.5 cents just 2 days back. Of course, we know the importance of that. But right now, as you can see, the price of XRP is picking up traction as Bitcoin is. So I am projecting that we could potentially start heading towards September highs. But in order for us to get to the yearly high, that is still a big move, to be quite frank with you. That is a move of about 20%. But remember, a week away from now on, we found out whether or not the SEC is going to come in and appeal. And I think that is going to have a huge impact on the price of XRP, whether it's going to lag until then or whether it's going to move. Maybe insiders know anything. But again, a very, very important week. Let me know in the comments as to what you think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow with Crypto ZX, and peace out.